Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Ayana of Ayana Plants, where we teach new and beginner gardeners how to start, grow, and maintain a flourishing garden without spending too much time in the garden. Now, let me tell y'all, I can spend all day in the garden, but I actually have a daytime job where I have to work, so I'm not able to do that. But today I do want to share something truly special with you. So here's the thing, as gardeners we often use plastic pots. I'm guilty of it too, but I'm always looking for solutions to contribute to preserving our planet. And guess what? I found an amazing company that is doing just that. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So I want to introduce you to Ecoform, a fantastic company revolutionizing the way we garden. They have a very stunning array of colors, sizes, and varieties. And these pots are not just any pots. They're a gardener's dreams. So whether you're planting flowers, vegetables, herbs, because y'all know we do all three over here, Ecoform have exactly what you need. So before we get started planting today in these beautiful and sustainable pots, today I want to give you just a little bit of history about the company, because what I love about Ecoform is their story. They're a family-founded business that didn't just want to create an alternative to plastic pots, but they're also growers themselves, and they have over 30 years of experience. So they understand the nuances of growing, so making their products not only eco-friendly, but they're practically and they're gardener friendly too. So Ecoform's commitment to sustainability extends far beyond their pots. These pots are crafted from renewable grain fibers, and they're completely biodegradable. So that means that you're not just choosing a pot, you're choosing something that will help the earth as well. Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute, because I have to tell you this too. Their dedication shines through in their operations too. So their facility is powered by solar energy, reducing the carbon footprint significantly. So talk about going the extra mile for the environment. So in today's world where sustainability is more crucial than ever, choosing pots like Ecoform's environmentally friendly pots is a positive, and it's also a significant step that we can all take. So by reducing our reliance on plastic, we can make a huge difference in preserving our planet. So whether you've been growing for a while or you're just starting out, I encourage you to check out Ecoform's website. Together, let's make our gardens and our world a greener and a more sustainable place. Okay, y'all, so there are so many different series of pots on their website, which I'll be sure to link in the description. But let me tell you one of the ones that we are going to start using right now. So this set right here is called the Growers Series. And so we have started seed starting inside. So a lot of these pots, when I have to pot up, we're going to use this. And let me tell you what I really love about this, y'all. You can continue to use this for multiple plants, multiple seed starting sessions. So they're just like the 4-inch pots, but they're biodegradable, and they are, just friendly for the planet. So I love that. And we got some more that we can pot up. I'm thinking about all of the geraniums that we've started. We're going to start potting them up in these pots right here. But today, the one that I really want to use, because I think it'll be such a beautiful way to use up the remainder of our pansies, and I'll make sure I link those videos below, is this black pot right here. I thought that would be pretty. We have some white pansies, so we're gonna pot these up today. And let me tell you one more thing, y'all, that I love about these pots. Oftentimes when you buy pots from the garden centers or the big box stores, you are responsible for putting your own holes in there, because remember, when you grow in containers, you definitely need that drainage. You don't want to sit the water up, let the water sit up in the pots, because it can cause root rot and eventually cause the plant to die, because it's just sitting in standard water, and a lot of or it's just sitting in water, and a lot of pots don't like what we consider like wet feet. They don't like to be in water all day. They like to get the water, they like to let the excess drain off of what they don't use. And so that's why you always have to put holes in containers. And so what I love is it already got it. It's no, area on here where, it shows you where you have to put it in. You already got your holes. So let's go ahead, let's get this planted up. Again, make sure you go on their website and check out all of the different series of pots that they have, because they named them in different series. So make sure you check it out. These just stuck out to me because I knew I was seed starting, and I was like, this is perfect. But we're gonna plant this one up. So pretty. Okay, so I wanted to leave this one on so that you can see that they're white pansies, and they're really gonna look beautiful once they start blooming. That beautiful white with the contrast with the black pots. And then we got one that is coming on right here. So I'm going to watch it in this area. We do get kind of like afternoon sun to come under this pergola, not full blast sun. So we'll keep a watch on that. But it looks so pretty. It looks so practical. It looks so functional. Like, I absolutely love it. I'm gonna take the sticker off, but again, I want you to see that it's made from rice hulls. It's biodegradable. It lasts about 5 years outdoors. And it does say it lasts a little bit longer inside as well, a little bit longer than 5 years if you have it inside. But I just think that is amazing. The fact that, it's also helping the planet. Okay, so I'll be sure to put the link to Ecoform's website in the description. So be sure to check out all of the different pots that they have to offer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly gardening tips and tricks. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, tap the subscribe button, and make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.